look at all the roots. That took over an hour to dig that out, the whole post. Yeah, we're going to do something for these, which will hopefully attract birds to rebird the garden a little bit, and which will also be creative. So this is a birdhouse for a robin, but we don't have the right vegetation in the garden to use it, so what I want to do is just close it over with a strip of wood and then drill a hole in there, possibly the same size. I haven't measured this. And what I also want to do is maybe extend the hole slightly so it could be suitable for sparrows. There's even an old nest still inside it, and it's now January, but I will soon be starting to look for bird nest boxes or nesting places. Right, this is pretty good. So obviously I need to cut it down here straight and then get the hole in there, and then that'll be that. Okay?
Yeah.
Good. Time to hoover the kitchen again, I think.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yep, that'll do. Okay, now I think we should drill pilot holes in here. Okay, hold this.
Yeah, that feels pretty good.
So, look, it looks like this. We can put the back into the direction where we get most of the wind and rain coming from. We have drilled open these holes a little bit more, so they are now big enough for sparrows. I don't know if sparrows would go in there or not. I mean, I'm hoping that any birds will come, really. That's a pole which we found on the beach. It's a lovely big long piece of driftwood, and that's going to go into our fence post, which we dug up lately. It looks straight from here. Let's see. Does it look straight to you? It's got to be straight, because the higher it gets, the more emphasized it will get if it's not straight. This has become so bushy, it's amazing. In German that's called Goldlack. Goldlacker. Yeah, that's perfect. And this have to wedge the thing in the right direction.
As long as it's sort this.
Okay. Right, could you hold me somehow? I would say that's also really. Or you hold on to this, and I get into position and then I'll take it, okay?
It functions as a bird box and a sculpture, which we've already got lots of sculptures in the garden. With a bit of luck, we'll have three bird families nesting there in the spring, which is just a few months away.